Hi everyone. So this is the Icon IC7300. It's a HF radio. Apparently it's made in Japan. The IC7300 is different from the FT991A in that this one is a software-defined radio, built differently, and it has a pretty unique interface. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. This one's a late 2020 packaging. I know this has been around for a little while now. I think close to 3 years probably, because I've seen some YouTube videos on this. Definitely the box is a little bit taller compared to the Yaesu boxes. And this is what you get. Wow. So I know you get a CD. Pretty old-fashioned, but you get a CD apparently with the basic manual, full manual, schematic diagrams. Wow. And ham radio terms. Would be nice if this was on an SD flash disk, but okay, CD, cool. Let's put this over here on the side. Looks like the radio. Well, let's see what this is. A little block. Okay. I don't think I've seen an unboxing of this radio, because again, it's not anything new, but it's exciting to see. All right. Well, how we do this? We'll just put this one down here for now. Okay. All right. And okay. Interesting. These are jacks. Looks like a quarter jack and a mini, and some type of maybe data cable. Not sure. It has a bunch of wires. Look at that. That's nice. And fuses. That's really neat. Don't know what that is yet. This one's definitely, I've never had an Icon radio. Most of them have been FTs. It's interesting. Has the, definitely a little bit different from the FT radios. They don't have this, so you can hook it up somewhere. Feels nice, actually. It's a little bit smaller, I think, than the FTs, a little bit. And then the plug is different, that's for sure. It's not like a telephone jack. Oh, no, not a telephone jack, like one of those computer jacks, right? RJ45. Oh, nice. Long power cord. And very similar to that of many radios. Okay, so we'll leave that in the box. We're definitely going to use it. So we'll move this over here. And it's really windy outside today. Let's move this one here. Manual's down there. I know that somebody was stating that to look all the way down there for the manual. And then here's the radio. Wow. Okay. Get these. Oops. Take these out. Interesting. Might as well take out the manual. A lot of videos that I've seen have suggested that you should download the full manual, and you can see here it says basic manual. Okay, pretty straightforward. Some other documentation. Now, right now, in the fall of 2020, the radio is $12.99, but there's a $200 rebate plus another $100 that you mail in. So I'm still new to ham radio, and probably during Christmas time there's better sales. The IC 705 is now available at different places now. So definitely this radio has a very similar interface apparently. Okay, let's untape this. Okay. And I can tell you now that it's a little more stubbier than the 991A. And definitely you can't put this on a backpack. Let's see if we can stand it up here a little bit. No way you can do that. I mean, of course you can, right? But definitely it weighs a little bit. Okay, so you have your buttons. Click very nicely. And it has a kickstand. Interesting. A VFO knob, other knobs. Again, this is a little bit. Now, this is all qualitative, right? It's a little more. It's almost like the 991A, but it does have a little bit of a different form factor. I think it feels more wider. Some vents, some screw holes to mount the radio. I mentioned this, the kickstand. And then try to be careful here not to smash any of the buttons here. But as before, you've probably seen many of these things. There's a key here to tell you what these buttons are. Cool thing about this, just like the 991A, is that you don't need a sound card, and you can do cat control there. Let's see, you have your antenna that states right there. ACG port, USB, remote, external speaker, key, send, ALC, tuner, and then your power and your ground. Big fan here. Oh, this is exciting. Really, really nice indeed. A little bit, like I said, this does weigh a little bit. Okay, I think that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I would appreciate that. And I'll be seeing you later. This is Frank, KN6BST.